As Chatgpt can be a powerful tool for learning, work, and everyday tasks, but it also collects certain information to provide and improve its services. If you value your privacy, it's important to review and adjust the app's privacy and data sharing settings. Turning off unnecessary features can help reduce the amount of personal information that is stored, shared, or used to personalize your experience. This guide explains the key settings you should disable to better protect your privacy while using ChatGPT, allowing you to use the platform with greater control over your data. The first option to turn is the Enable Memory. Enable Memory in ChatGPT is a feature that allows ChatGPT to remember useful information about you across conversations, making future chats more personalized. If you have this feature turned on, all your chats and informations will be sent to ChatGPT database. This is a typical example of what I'm saying. Where it says Memory Summary, it summaries all my chat history on ChatGPT. So if privacy is your top priority, turning memory off reduces the amount of information intentionally carried over between chats. You can also clear any existing saved memories. Now listen, starting a new chat won't use saved memories if memory is disabled. So I recommend you turn this off if you prioritize your privacy. To do so, open ChatGPT app on your phone and tap on the menu button. Look below and tap on the settings icon. You will see memory. Go ahead and tap on the option and you will see Enable Memory. If it's turned on or enabled on your phone, tap to turn it off. Another method is, where it says Memory Summary, tap on the option, tap on the hamburger menu, and tap on Delete and turn off memory. Once the Enable Memory is turned off, it will display on ChatGPT home screen. So once you see Memory off on your ChatGPT home screen, it simply means that Enabled Memory is disabled on your ChatGPT. The second option to turn off is Improved Model for Everyone. This option simply means OpenAI has upgraded the default AI model so that all eligible users get a better experience without needing to change any settings. This means better reasoning, higher quality writing, fewer mistakes, better coding in math, improved instruction following, more useful conversations. Well, even though they said the option does not necessarily mean your chats are used to train AI, I still don't see the need to have this option enabled, especially if you prioritize your privacy. Once you have Improved Model for Everyone turned off, new conversations from your account are generally not used to train OpenAI's models. Mind you, turning this setting off does not stop ChatGPT from working, and you will still get access to the current model. To turn this off, open ChatGPT and tap on the menu button. Look below and tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to where it says Data Controls and tap to open. The first option you will see is Improved Model for Everyone. Go ahead and turn it off. The third option is Location Services. If you prioritize your privacy, I don't see the reason to allow ChatGPT have access to your location or to enable location services for ChatGPT. Though it was stated that the reason for location services is to enable ChatGPT give an accurate answer to questions like, helps answer questions like restaurants near me, weather, closest gas station, or other local recommendations. But the truth is that without enabling location services for ChatGPT, you can still type your location or any location and ChatGPT can use that instead. Better still, use Google Maps for such. If you don't mind letting ChatGPT have access to your location, then I recommend you to select while using the app. This means as long as ChatGPT is not opened on your device, it won't have access to your location. To turn this off, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Apps, tap to open. Scroll down to ChatGPT and tap to open. The first option that says Location, tap to open it. You will see three options: Never ask next time or When I share while using the app. Select Never if you don't want ChatGPT to have access to your location, or you select while using the app and ChatGPT can only have access to your location while the app is active and running. You can choose to restrict ChatGPT from running in the background. The last but not the least is a feature called Temporary Chat. It's like browsing in incognito mode or private mode. This means that your chat is designed not to be saved to your chat history or used to update your memory. It's useful when you want a more private, one-off conversation. If you don't want to bother with the three options I mentioned, this is the best option for you. By simply using the Chatgpt temporary chat. In this feature, there's no saved in your chat history. When you close the temporary chat, it won't appear in your list of past conversations. No memory. ChatGPT won't remember anything from that conversation for future chats. If you've enabled memory in regular chats, it's ignored in temporary chats. Starts fresh each time. Every temporary chat begins with no knowledge of previous temporary chats or your regular chat history. Temporary chat is useful for things like asking questions about sensitive topics without adding them to your history, testing ideas without affecting your personalized experience, using ChatGPT on a shared device, keeping work on a one-time project separate from your regular conversations. To use ChatGPT temporary chat, open the app and tap on this very icon. And that's it. You're now in temporary chat mode and good to go. And that's all I have for you, and thanks for watching.